Yeah, I know that girl. Look at that. High school, I know. One time, whoa, so hard. Baby's body. Man, what? I like parking back here, man. Why does everybody gotta take my spots? That alleyway like parking. We gonna get jumped. The handicap? Oh man, this is so gay. I don't like parking in front of it. And this sausage fest is so good. Not parking by the trash can. It's like a shitty thing. I don't know. That's where they work, I guess. Trash can, man. Smoking by the trash can too. Oh my god, I can't even see past this. That Bland Bank got a park stuff. Oh god, mate. I feel like finding a parking spot there. Huh? I feel like finding one. There's one over there. There was one on the side. There was one in front of the bank. Yeah, they're all on the other side. Man, my luck today. Look at all them hooligans. I bet we can take them on. I'll call the short one. Then we'll get the hat. I'll take his hat. Look at the shoes. I mean, you got one. Woo! Oh, it's Asian friends. Asian friends. Look at Chris. Dude, I got a grad card on my neck. Oh, for what? Hey, neck. It's my key card, man. If I don't have this, I can't get back in the house.
We're here at Legends again. I said this is gonna be on a different show.
The Adventures of
the Phu Cat Show.
Phu Cat Show.
Phu Cat Show.
Phu Cat.
The YouTube is called Phu Cat Official.
Phu Cat Official. Yeah.
Yeah, that's I only got 1 subscriber out of that whole video.
What? I haven't 1 subscriber. I have like 220, 25, 30 subscribers.
I don't remember seeing this.
They changed it. Last time it was Civil War.
Oh yeah. Now they're using Gone with the Wind stuff.
My agent's taking over.
Yeah, Harold and Kumar jaywalking and then like a random police car showed
up. Yeah. Nah, man. What the fuck, man? You're fucking. I'm just gonna walk. What the fuck? Where'd you come from, man? Step away.
Christian.
Dude, I gotta grab here. I never think.
So wait, which one are you going to?
This one.
This one too? I'm going here.
What?
I'm going here.
We see outside.
We see hostages.
Man, you know, I've never been here before. Neither have I. I've never been here. Adventures of Phu Cat.
Yeah.
And the Phu Bears. Beware.
Let's get to that part.
I want to see what everybody's skipping.
Hey, here you go. You never bring cash. We always have this issue. We give him the cash and we're like, okay, how much is he owes? He has to split it all off now.
What the heck? You gave me $5 bill with the tape on it. I put it this way in there. I didn't even notice. It must have been express. No way.
Yeah.
Another dollar in here. Stop looking at my $5.
It was a movie that had Juan's name or something in
No,
it.
it was my name.
Oh, your name. And it never came up.
Yeah. Let's read this. The only reason I even watch Harry Potter. Why?
Like he wants to see Harry Potter just to see his name and it never came up.
Because that fingers in, right?
No. It has peppers. Banana peppers.
Alright, man, I guess. First last one.
It's already sliced. Yeah. So why are you still slicing it?
You gotta slice into it, man. That's an extra $1.
You hit one. I'm gonna give her an extra $1, man. See how cute.
Take the big suit. Us, you.
You see it at your house.
You wanna finish that? You wanna bring the box? Box?
We're gonna stay here for a little bit longer. I'm gonna pull another slice out. Huh?
I'm gonna keep this.
Are you in out? That's gonna be in here.
I don't want that small one.
Get some more cheese on this. You guys want some cheese? Good now. Want some more?
Dave and Buster.
Dave and Buster.
They're back at it again like a crack addict.
Go have some fun while we're pushing.
Oh my gosh, $2 here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man, straight.
Hey man, go check and see if they have some domos in there.
Huh?
I see they have the one of those little clamp things. Go see if they have the domos in there.
Well,
my butt.
Just took your $1. No man, too old to play this kind of game. You hear that shit?
Too old. This kid's sitting here still playing RuneScape, playing League of Legends, playing Haven Earth.
Too old.
Too old to play Kingdom Hearts, a Disney game.
Yeah, I'm gonna check that out.
That's in the power. Gotta get this on film.
Yeah, what do we need to get on film?
Can't be winning.
The ugly toad.
Nah, we're gonna get that squid. Look at that
Nah, I
squid.
love you.
We're gonna get that squid.
Squidward.
Squidbillies. Nah, you fail. I got it.
And you get one more try. I think.
What else I got over here? I love you.
Oh, a lot of fun.
I want that Teddy bear back. Can't have this. Want that squid?
Oh, they got a sense of pinball.
Want that? I got the squid.
I used to be good at this. I get everything like first try.
What the heck, man? I try to lean on this and stuff. Who got that work? Got that work. Got that work.
Honestly, these arcade costs.
Do you have a gun game over here or something?
I think that's it.
Oh, snap. We should have wasted that $2 on there, man. I did a happy day for my face. Come on, man. This one. What the heck is it?
I film every moment of this stuff.
You guys get everything? I'll just make
I'll
sure.
get one.
Yeah, we got everything. Mellow mushroom.
The computer's like right there. I seen them on the computer that time. Like around 12.
Closeout sale.
Clone Trooper.
Yeah, Clone Trooper. Should watch some Star Wars when I come home.
You parked in front of a flow that we're going to. Not even fucking flow.
Yeah, I never noticed this.
Open that.
That's weird.
I didn't know you had to take this.
To your house, you.
Oh, the smoke shop.
Old Havana cigar. Oh.
Deep State Planner of Go.
Hey, one. Can you stand on the road to tell me if a car's coming?
Have a sword fight with Kevin. Yeah, have a sword fight with Kevin like. Hey, you guys.
What's this little girl doing on me?
You can't.
Balloon going
Y'all
away.
want some eat? Drink?
You guys got it.
Anything, man.
And
Trong nhà, đồ ăn trong nhà. Đồ ăn trong nhà, ăn trong nhà. Cô get some food, get đi là hai eat.
there's more food in the house.
What's she doing? Where's the
See that blackberry.
You got a bunny. Hold on. There's no cage. It's scratching. Be careful.
We got an Eric Foreman in the house. That's really sad. They had Lady Gaga music for a birthday song. Is this the entrance to the and beyond? Let's go. I see a black rabbit. Birds. There's a rabbit again. Plenty of rabbits. Well, I'm going away from the and beyond. If I can walk straight. The big waterfall of death. Hey, more rabbits. This one looks like a rat. It's very colorful like a rat. And they can stand up like Bugs Bunny. How many rabbits are there? Like this one. There are plenty of rabbits here. Rabbits.
What? How many rabbits do they have?
Oh, there are a lot down there.
Huh?
There are a lot under there.
How many? There is one.
I think there were 5 down there.
What'd you say?
I think there were 5 down there.
It's all the way down there now.
What? There's a black rabbit down there.
What?
Under the grill.
Oh.
Ai dưới về luôn. Ồ. Nó review xong không phải là
Until
They don't squeal. Oh, okay.
I'm with the bird incident. It's like the Amazon or something. be a man that walks on water. It can't be true. Oh God, it's telling me to walk into the water too. Didn't work out.